The single shelf Lazy Susan from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Locate the access hole in the swivel cover. The swivel will need to be rotated to access the 6 mounting locations. Place Lazy Susan in the cabinet, center, and check clearances. Align the first access hole with the first lower mounting hole and install a screw. Repeat on the other 5 mounting locations.